What's going on, guys? It's your boy DeFi Proof here today, and we're gonna be answering a lot of questions regarding, is this the end of the bull run? Is this the bear market now? Is this the dip everybody's been waiting for? Is this the dip that's gonna destroy everything, or is this an opportunity? Um, we're gonna answer all those questions. We're gonna look at some charts. We're actually gonna look at some news as well. We're gonna have the crowd favorite here, DeFi D, to talk about his view on is it a bear market, a dip, or an opportunity. But I see a lot of people panicking, a lot of people selling at losses. Guys, this is all manipulation, and we're gonna go to the news today. We're gonna see exactly what's causing these prices to go lower at this time. So, guys, I always like starting with some Coin Gecko. Um, I like CoinGecko just because it tells you, the 7 day percentages, the hour 24-hour percentage, the hourly percentage um on a 24-hour schedule. You know what I mean? So we're gonna dip on Bitcoin today, and where is it stabilizing at? But as we see, on the 7 day scale, everything is down 20, 30, 40, 50%. But this is the opportunity that I'm talking about. You gotta find these coins that are gonna rip when the market starts actually booming again. So coins that I'm looking for myself. Things like Litecoin, it's $210 right now. Polkadot on a super discount. Stellar Lumens. But these are my favorite. Things like Polygon, which have not gone down significantly on this bull run. So I'm really bullish on Polygon. Um, look at Cardano, 14% still up on the 7 day scale as everything is down 30, 40, 50%. Um, what else am I looking at? I mean, everything else that's green is just, probably stable coins. But, you know, I always think about these as my opportunities to get more of something cheap. The new crypto user is gonna say, "Oh man, well, I'm getting wrecked." Well, no, man. I would take this time to actually make some money. Take these on the low end and just wait for it to boom. I mean, I just think this is all manipulation at this point. But looks like Bitcoin is staying around the $40,000 level, $39,000 level. I'm actually gonna go to the trader's view, and this looks like the weekly candle right here for Bitcoin. As you guys see right here, this was our old all-time high around this area. So as you can see, this is not brand new, guys. We went up, guys, all the way from 20,000 all the way up to 38,000, and had a nice, let's see here, had a nice 28% correction, if you will. Actually, we'll do it from the top of the candles. Right here, we probably have like a 16% correction right here. Then we followed it up with more up action, and this is basically when the Doge father started tweeting about Doge and stuff, and it just went crazy. It just went absolutely insane. But like I said, we had another correction after that, which was a nice, like, another 20% correction. More green side after that, more correction, green side correction. But guys, we haven't seen one like this since 2017, where it just corrects all the way, um, you know, 33%. If you look at from here, from the little wick where it went all the way down to 29,000, it's a big drop. But I like to think of this as opportunities, like I said. So right here around this area, Elon started tweeting, and Saturday Night Live, I think, was the worst thing to happen. But Elon starts tweeting right here about, I don't know what. Then a second tweet comes up. Then right here, he's like, "Just kidding, guys." And then the China foot started. So if we go back into the coin gecko, there's gonna be a lot of opportunities, guys. Man, take advantage. Don't panic. Use this time as your advantage. All right, guys. So for today's news, we're gonna have um this guy right here, which I think he just doesn't know about crypto too much, or he's working with other people trying to get this dip going. I don't know what's going on, guys, but after him tweeting that Tesla's not gonna accept any more Bitcoin for Teslas, now he texts Elon Musk tweets diamond hands emoji after Bitcoin drop, implying that Tesla won't sell. So first, we're getting this crazy news about Tesla. I mean, look at it. Now he tweets Tesla has diamond hands. I think this guy is just playing around. I think he's just juggling um, just information. He, I don't know what he's doing at this point, to be honest. But um, next piece of information we got: Coinbase is back online after following outrage of some users amid Bitcoin sell-off. So what happened was, once Bitcoin went to 27,000, a lot of people, wanted to buy at that current moment, but everything went down for some reason. I knew somebody had a list of everything that was down at the time: Crypto.com, Coinbase, even dexes that we, like Coin Market Cap. Everything was down at the same time with all the traffic trying to buy the dip at 27. But it quickly shot back up to 37,000. I mean, it just went right. It shot right back up. So everything back online, guys. Remember, make sure you guys have multiple exchanges. Your Uniswap, your Uniswap, your BNB, your Pancake Swap. Have multiple exchanges and decentralized exchanges as you can, so you don't go through these error once you're trying to buy the top, buy the bottom, sell the top and stuff like that. But in other news, while all this is happening, people are selling. You got MicroStrategy, which bought another dip, and they add another $10 million in Bitcoin purchases. Guys, if you guys don't see a pattern here, they're buying your bags. Don't get shaken off these people because of this dip. This shit is still on track to go to 100, 200, 300, $400,000, guys, by the end of this year. It's still on track. Don't give your bags over to these guys. These people are just buying your bags. I mean, look at it. Another news piece: Tron founder Justin Sun buys 4,145 Bitcoin on the dip, worth over 150 million. Guys, while you guys are selling your bags and you guys are getting shaken off your bags, these guys are buying everything. Why? They know how much it's worth. I mean, look at his tweet here, guys. I have bought 4,145 Bitcoin with $152 million at an average price at $36,000. I mean, everybody else is buying, guys. Why would you guys be selling? You know what I mean? This guy's buying every piece of Bitcoin right now, getting shaken off. All right, guys. So on the next segment here, I want to show you guys some of the projects that I'm actually interested on and I'm looking at. I'm going forward right now. Um, so the industry network, they actually built the trust, fairness, transparency, and integrity with the community. So if you guys see their Telegram as we speak right now, it's just full of well orchestrated community members. I mean, they help each other out. They're actually in this together. As you guys see, there's actually a farm that has come out for the industry network finance. It's actually called Tinvs. We're gonna get into that a little bit later. Um, Guys, these guys aim to show the new guys in crypto community what it is to actually be in a helpful community and actually grow together. So there's videos here that you guys could click on and see what they're about. Um, there's actually a nice another breakdown right here. They have an expert team down here as well, which they are doxed, guys. Um, but a lot of exciting things coming up for this Tinville token project. A lot of news coming up soon. Um, but we're gonna focus right now on this farm. Um, it has a lot of potential. I mean, if you click shops, you could do single staking assets. I know the APR on cake is pretty good. Um, you know what I mean? So um, you're always gonna be able to make more 10 VS and more 10 VS, and the price will appreciate real soon, guys. The market just slowed it down, but this is one that I'm very bullish on. If you guys know Ghost or Marty or Deegan Dan, um, a lot of people that could actually help you guys out and step in the right foot in this DeFi space. So a lot of news coming with them soon. They already got their farm out, which is very impressive. They got single staking assets. They got liquidity assets. Guys, it's free money. Sit in there and just collect every day. You could actually go ahead on PancakeSwap, find them. The token is called Tin V. Um, so yeah, another one, guys, that I'm looking at. It is called SpaceRat. This one's a little different because this one is actually launching on the Phantom network. Tin V was part of the Pancake network, but SpaceRat is actually going to be part of um, the Spooky.Finance, um, Spooky Swap, I believe. If we go to the Telegram, let's see here. If we go in the Telegram, it's a big community as well. 7,200 members. We're just trying to figure out what's gonna launch on. We got celebrities coming on and talking about this project and stuff. Um, but I believe it's gonna be spooky. They got videos here showing you guys exactly what they do. There's a whitelist already that just came out today, I believe. So go check your addresses. But we're trying to figure out. Yeah, it looks like it's going on Spooky Swaps. Like, it looks like Spooky Swap won, guys. Yep, congratulations on Spooky. I know there should read different swaps there. Looks like Spooky's the winner right now. So this is where you will be able to buy this. Um, you know what I mean? So um, SpaceRat.Finance, see everything they're coming up with. But Big Tom, that's the guy who's behind this, and he's a great guy, a community member, very respectful. So guys, go check him out. This looks like it's gonna be a big one. If you guys need any help on how to swap your FTM tokens from um, um, ETH network to the Phantom network, all you guys gotta do is use this multi-chain. There's a multichain.xyz, and it has been the easiest one I have used. So you could put, uh, how many Phantom you want to transfer from ETH to the Phantom network, and it'll be right here. Easy to use, the best one I have used so far. All right, guys, as I promised, I brought DeFi D here to talk a little bit of crypto. I had to get in this little schedule, man, but you know how that goes. What's going on, DeFi D?
What's up, my brother? How's everything?
Everything's looking a little red right now, but what can we do, man?
We surviving though. We're making it happen. We surviving.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna tell you right now. Um, I want to congratulate you, man, for making it through one of the biggest dips in a couple years, man.
Oh man, you didn't even know how I was feeling. It was crazy, but I never seen this type of shit before.
Yeah,
What was
man,
it, like
but
a 40, 50%
it's a
correction?
40, 50, 60% correction. A lot of people panic sold, and a lot of institutions were just buying bags.
Buying,
Yeah,
buying the
man.
dips, eating them.
But I know there's a lot of certain people who said if this goes under 40 cents, I mean 40% on a dip, is the beginning of the bear season. What do you got
Mhm.
to say about that?
I say that's cap, man. That's that's straight big cap. That's just them saying that so that these institutions could come and load up on the weak hands of people who are going to sell. You know what I'm saying? So you
Yeah,
only lose when you sell. So
That's a
If you're
fact.
not if you're not selling, then you can hold up a 40-50% correction and double up, load up, and on that dip, ride it back up. You're gonna be all right. So
I keep telling people, bro. I loaded up in the last dip, and I'm still up off of those gains. You know what I mean? So
of
it's
course,
it's something that needed to happen. The market was blowing up too
bro, the
crazy.
way the way crypto was moving, bro, it was just too much gains. Everybody was just eating, bro. You know what I'm saying? It was just nothing but positivity. Everybody just racking up. So I mean, it
Definitely.
only makes sense that it cooled off a little bit. Look at ETH. ETH was almost at 5 bands. You know what I'm saying? He was ready
He,
to fucking knock on 5 bands and going crazy. So
he feels ready. He feels ready. Now back to two
I
bands.
think
Like,
this was definitely needed. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah,
to
now
get us back on track for where we know this shit is going by the end of the year.
exactly. But this is nothing new. This is nothing new. We had 20% corrections, 30% corrections recently.
Mm-hmm.
I actually around 20% and 15%. My bad. But I mean, this is nothing new. People are panicking, going crazy. I mean, I know the news is a little but I think there's a lot of manipulations coming up in the DeFi world and in the crypto world right now. But um, today, do you picture this as an opportunity for people?
Most definitely, man. My thing to the people is this might be your very last chance to get certain coins at this price because you'll never see them again at this price.
Oh man,
So
I'm
if
gonna
you ain't
tell you.
taking advantage of this opportunity, then you gonna miss the wave. You know what I'm saying?
I seen the craziest prices. I mean, I seen Phantom at 39, 38 cents. I picked up some of
Polkadot,
that.
$18.
Polkadot $18. I seen uh um Cardano go down and jump a little up. But as we go, I feel like we're gonna see a lot of green in the next couple days. People realizing that China been trying to ban crypto, and every single time they move away from Bitcoin, it makes it kind of worse for them. So um
Right.
it's a lot of fun going around, but if you really see, they've been doing that since 2015, 16, 17. It's nothing
For
new.
sure. For sure. So
Definitely. Uh, what do you think about Elon and his tweets?
I think that guy's just living life. He's having fun with it right now, man.
It's a social
he's having
experiment.
he's just having fun with crypto, man.
It's a social experiment, man. But for
Yeah.
him, he one day is Doge, another day is Bitcoin. One day he don't like Bitcoin. Then he's saying that he has diamond hands.
I'm in hands,
I
yeah.
I just don't know.
We don't
But
know what's gonna happen with this guy, man. He's a
so
freak.
the last question leads me to I know you've been getting a lot of phone calls about things that are going on and stuff like that. Or I mean, are you recommending anything to anybody? Are you telling them to buy a couple bags or not? Or
We're recommending a lot of Chainlink, a lot of Polygon Matic. Um, Cardano's been another one I've been telling people load up on. Um, Polkadot, and of course Ethereum, man. Ethereum is gonna be double digits real soon, so this might be the last time you see Ethereum at a high twos, low threes. You know what I'm saying? What is it at right now? Like 2,900, I think 2,800.
it's around 26, 25, I think.
That'd be the very last time you see that shit like this.
Definitely. So
Everybody who's been hitting me up, I've been telling them load up on those now.
if I have any strategy right now, I'm gonna tell you. I've been loading up on all the Ethereum killers, the Solanas, the
Yeah, I saw
Polygons,
them.
the
A lot of
Phantoms, the Polka Dots, the Ethereum killers. I've been loading up a lot on that because of DeFi, but that's just me. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is just for pure entertainment only.
yes,
Uh,
sir.
D man, any last words on we got to tell the people out there, man?
Hey man, stay strong. Don't panic. Don't sell. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see y'all on the moon, man.
I'll be there too.
I'll see y'all on the moon real soon.
Man, take care, D man.
You already know my